Oh, he's going down again.
He was not going to cooperate with me.
Going down again.
So you cooperate, and I'll shoot your fish. Stop. Go easy. You're just going to make him go down again.
That's a good one.
I'm telling you.
I had one ear plugged so I wouldn't have to do this.
What? To the bing bong, baby. Bing bong.
Looks like another good one.
I don't like chasing them. Like a boss!
Keep it tight, don't go slack.
Whoo.